How to allow Messenger to access photos on iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to allow Messenger to access photos on iPhone. Firstly, you need to open your Messenger application on your iPhone. Then, select the person to whom you want to send the photos. After that, tap on the gallery icon. Now, if you want to allow Messenger to access your photos to share with your friends, go to the settings. Next, find the Messenger application in your settings. After that, tap on Photos. Next, tap on Full Access and then allow full access. Now open up your Messenger application again. As you can see, now you can send photos and videos while chatting with your friends. So this is how you can allow the Messenger to access photos on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.